Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix cannot delete key error while deleting key in Windows. Right-click key, click permission. Click Advanced, click Change. Type everyone. Check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Check Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this subject. Select everyone, check all allow. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.